Laney checking out Culinary Arts.
Someone said.
Hello.
Hi there. You gonna follow me? We're gonna go into the dining room and then we'll circle back and get some treats.
Wow, this is definitely Culinary Arts.
So again, another cool light there.
Wow. Commercial. Whoa. There's a view here.
There.
Hello.
Interested in culinary arts?
Right there.
Okay.
She
Fabulous.
cooks for the family.
Fabulous. Fabulous. So maybe a couple of years yet before you're ready, but we are here for you when you are.
Candy's not gone. Have the muscles?
So? Sit over there? Alright, sit over there. Maybe pull the chair from over there and over here, right?